Now we have our slip stitch. We're going to chain 2. Then we're going to double crochet. Another double crochet. Amazingly enough, another double crochet. This all going through the same stitch. We're going to chain 2. And then we're going to slip stitch to the next stitch down here. And we've just finished our first petal. Now what we're going to do is chain 2. And we're going to double crochet. We need 3 double crochets into this spot. Now double crochets are just yarn over. We're going to put it through there, come back up, yarn over, pull up, and we got 3 loops. And pull through 2, pull through 2. And now we're going to chain 2. And we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 2, double crochet, another double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, chain 2, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, chain 2. Put in the comments what you want to learn how to crochet, a project that you've always been wanting to do but has been too intimidating to even start, and we'll see if we can do it together. Chain 2 and slip stitch. We just need to, and then to finish this off, we're just going to yarn over, pull through this loop, and we're just going to tighten that down.